Have you ever paused to ponder the marvel of vision? Ever wondered how those two small orbs in your face allow you to perceive the world in all its vibrant colors and dynamic motion? Today, we dive into the fascinating world of our eyes and unravel the mystery of how they work. Did you know that the human eye is one of the most complex organs in our body, second only to the brain? It's a sophisticated piece of biological machinery that operates in a similar way to a camera. Let's start with the outermost part, the cornea. This transparent front surface of the eye is responsible for protecting your eyes and bending or refracting light as it enters the eye. It's like the lens of a camera, focusing light onto the film. Next comes the iris, the colored part of your eye. The iris adjusts the size of the pupil, the tiny black hole in the center of the eye, to control the amount of light that enters. It's like the aperture of a camera, adjusting to let in more or less light depending on the environment. The light then passes through the lens, another clear part of the eye that further focuses the light, much like the zoom function of a camera. The lens is flexible and changes shape to focus light onto the retina at the back of the eye. The retina is where the magic happens. It's like the film or sensor in a camera, capturing the image. The retina contains millions of photoreceptor cells, called rods and cones, which detect light. Rods allow us to see in low light, while cones are responsible for color vision and detail. The rods and cones convert the light into electrical signals. These signals are then sent to the brain via the optic nerve, a kind of biological cable. The brain interprets these signals and transforms them into the images we see. And there you have it! In a nutshell, that's how our eyes work. They capture light, convert it into electrical signals, and send those signals to the brain to be interpreted as images. So the next time you gaze at a beautiful sunset, or read a book, or watch a movie, take a moment to appreciate the wonder of your eyes. They're not just windows to your soul, they're your personal biological cameras, capturing and processing the world around you in real time. Remember, the working of the eye is a marvel of nature's engineering. From the cornea refracting light, to the iris and pupil controlling the amount of light that enters, to the lens focusing this light onto the retina, where it's converted into electrical signals, and finally, these signals being sent to the brain to be interpreted as images. It's a complex process, but hopefully this explanation has shed some light on the mystery of how our eyes work. Keep wondering, keep exploring, and stay curious about the world around you. After all, there's so much more to see.